Today I'm going to be showing you how I make pot-in-pot rice in the Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I run the blog 365 Days of Crockpot.com, where I share Instant Pot and slow cooker recipes with you for every day of the year. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make pot-in-pot rice. Pot-in-pot just means that you're cooking something inside of your Instant Pot, inside another vessel. This can be for a lot of different reasons. The reason that I like to use it for rice is, let's say I'm cooking chicken and I want to serve the chicken and sauce over rice. So what I would do is I cook the chicken and sauce in the bottom of the Instant Pot, and then in a pan that fits inside my Instant Pot, I put the rice in the water and it cooks at the same time and gets done at the same time as that chicken. So it's just a way to kind of multitask and use your Instant Pot for two different reasons at the same time. I'm going to be showing you how to do this simple trick in your Instant Pot, and hopefully you'll be able to use it a lot at your home just like I use it in my home. You're going to need some type of pan that fits inside of your Instant Pot. You can see how this stainless steel pan just fits right nicely inside of there, and there's plenty of air to circulate around the pan. I can post the link to this particular one in the notes below. I have found that stainless steel works really nicely. I also have a cake pan that I use from time to time that works really well. My Pyrex dish that's glass and my Corningware dish that's glass, they work also, but they take longer to heat up the rice that's inside. So keep that in mind if you're using Corningware or Pyrex. The rice might not be done when the other food is done. Now I'm just gonna put a cup of rice in the pan and 1 1/2 cups water. You can use Jasmine rice. This is just normal long grain white rice. But you can use Jasmine rice, you can use Basmati rice. Basically any type of white rice would work well for this. Brown rice takes 22 minutes to cook. So if you have something that's cooking in the bottom of your pot that's more than 22 minutes, then brown rice would be a good bet. For shorter recipe times, white rice is the way to go. Let's say I have chicken in the bottom of my pot and the broth that goes with the chicken and everything like that. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and lower the pan on top of the chicken, and I like to use this sling. It's a silicone sling, and I can link to it in the notes below. But I like to just stick my pan or pot right on top of the sling, and then I would go ahead and lower this right on top of that chicken and put the lid on. If you don't have a sling like this, hopefully you have this trivet that this one actually came with my Instant Pot. Hopefully you have something like that that you could use to put on top of the chicken, and then the pan goes on top of the trivet. This is what it looks like. Just so you can see, you can easily lift that out and put that back in. Make sure the valve is set to sealing and not to venting. And then I'm gonna just set the timer for, let's say I'm cooking chicken for 10 minutes. I'll cook that for 10 minutes and see how that rice turns out. Move the valve to venting. Remove the lid. Take out the rice. You can see how awesome that rice looks. Perfectly cooked using the pot-in-pot method. I'm gonna put some of my favorite recipes that I use the pot-in-pot method for below in the notes.